Hello everyone, this is me Mr. Basant, and for the past more than 2 days I have been feeling a little sick. I have just problem in my throat. I hope so some cough is stuck on my neck, and since my childhood it's a very type of unique type of medicine for me is when I get a cough in my neck I have to have ice cream. And see, I bought ice cream and I'm just putting ice cream on my this cone, and I need at least more than 4 scoop of ice cream. But what to do? I don't have any scoop of spoon, so I'm just using my home spoon. And there is one saying that in Nepali, a diamond cuts a diamond. And since I am having a cough, the best way of medicine for me is having ice cream, and that also at the night time. See what amazing type of medicine I have. So what I prefer is you also, if you have the practice, you also can make the ice cream. And do you know one thing? I love ice cream. I love ice cream. I love ice cream. And the thing is, actually, I love the flavor called 21 Love. But what to do? The shopkeeper doesn't have that. So I said, instead of he had two flavor ice cream. He had vanilla and strawberry left. So I choose vanilla and see it's very tasty. It seems very tasty, and having the ice cream with full of cone and very interesting is yummy 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 yummy. And let's have it. Ah, aham, aham, nom 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 nom, and my neck problem disappears. Nom nom nom. You know what is called heaven? Heaven is having ice cream. Nom nom nom. And I'm sure it's around already 8 p.m. at the night. And having ice cream, the neighbor will say, "What is this fella doing?" But I love ice cream. I love ice cream. I love ice cream. Thank you very much for watching. You also have the ice cream.